In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Please Stop Crying on your PC. Firstly, you need Steam installed in your PC. I will leave video in description how to install Steam and create account. Otherwise, just log into your Steam account. Go to Store and click on search bar on left top. Search for Please Stop Crying. In drop-down menu, click on the game. You might need to select your age before you can access the game. In Game page, you have all information about the game. You can check requirements for your PC. Then scroll back and click on Add to Cart button. In New pop-up, click View My Cart button. Now in drop-down, you can gift the game to others or even buy it privately. Then in Checkout, you need to click on Continue to Payment. Now select your preferred payment method and proceed. After you're done with payment, next steps I will show with game I already own. After completing the purchase, go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just bought or navigate directly to the games category. Next step I will show on game I own. First, click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark so I can make more tutorials.